How is it going, everyone? My name is Will, or Willie G, and welcome to day 14 of Will vs Europe. We are now 2 weeks into this trip, and yeah, we're just 2 weeks in. The plan today is I am getting a train to a train station called Ventimiglia. I think that's it, and then from that I have a 14-minute change to get to Genoa or Genova. So it's a fun travel day. It will take about 4 hours in total, which is crazy. But yeah, I'm sure there'll be some great sights and stuff or whatever, so I'll make sure I record on the train. Yeah, we're gonna get to Genoa, get to the hostel. I think I'm gonna do my washing, because I didn't actually do it yesterday. I just got into bed and fell asleep pretty much. I finished the video and then went to sleep. But yeah, I'll do that, do my washing, or get some lunch and then do my washing, or the other way around. And then, yeah, so that's the plan for today. Yeah, I will see you guys on the train. I'll also show the hostel as well if there's nobody in it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I don't know why I'm doing that. Just realised this is going to be the last video in the France saga, or the France list of videos, because I'm finished in France now. I mean, I've got, next is Italy, then it's Switzerland, then it's Germany, then the Netherlands, and then back to Belgium is the plan I'm going for. So yeah, I'm almost completely, this is it. This is the last bit of France. So let's just have a look in Nice once again. Have a look at these beautiful buildings. And it's not like the sun's gonna go away, so that's good. And so at least get to Switzerland and the lovely train station. But yeah, Nice has definitely been my favorite place I've been to so far. Just what I've seen, the people I've met, it's been great. But I'm sure Genoa will be just as fun, but let's go find my train. It's because, of course, this train is going to be absolutely packed, but I'm only on this one for about 50 minutes, so it's not too bad, but I don't think I'm going to be getting somewhere to sit. I picked up some snacks for the train ride. We've got these like fruit bite things, and I got a packet of crisps in my bag, but I'll get those out later. It was altogether about €6, which is train station prices, so. But yeah, I'm just going to wait for this train. And I don't think I'm going to get a seat, so I'll probably just film when I get into Ventimiglia, so for 14 minutes. I don't know how much I'll film in there, because I'll be like rushing to get the next train, but yeah. Well, I think I found the first class, but that's second class down there, but this looks the exact same, so I have no idea, but it's empty in here, so I don't really mind. Yeah, I've got a lot of leg room, but yeah, doesn't really matter. Now we're on here for 2.5 hours, about that, and we are off to Genoa, like I said, and we are now in Italy. So we've left France for good. Well, I don't know if I'll be going back in this series at all, but yeah, on the way to the middle of Italy, or like the south of Italy. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we arrive. We have arrived into Genoa, and that was quite a long train ride. And I don't really know where I am, again, obviously, but this train station's really nice. I mean, I don't know. Oh, okay, I'm actually still in the train station because the exit's over there. But look at that. This insane, like, crazy building over here. Apparently, my hostel is about 10 minutes away from, like, the main plaza bit, which is quite cool. Yeah, I'm just going to go follow everyone over here and then see where I end up, see if I can actually make it to the hostel. I must have been in like the back bit of the station, and this must be the main entrance. It looks very nice. And then there's a big statue here. Apparently my hostel is literally about 10 seconds up the road, so I also just found out that tomorrow is going to be like insane thunderstorm all day, so I have no idea what I'm going to do tomorrow. I'll try and find something to do, but I'll have to figure it out and play it as where the weather goes. But yeah, I'll check into my hostel and show it to you. Guys, this hostel is absolutely insane. This is my bedroom, bro. First of all, just a bedroom in a hostel is usually what you get. Like, this is the size of my one from yesterday or this morning. So that's my bed. There's a huge storage thing down there. Go in here, we got this massive bathroom, bidet. We've got like nice looking shower in there as well. Hair dryer, like hand soap, like look at that, it is loaded up. And then we have like a living room area, like a deck chair, I guess you could bring out to your balcony. Because you know, everyone's got to have a balcony. Like a little chair and table, a heater, and then upstairs, I don't know. There's, yeah, you know, upstairs in a hostel, in a room. You got the other guy who's just gone to get some food, but we have this, and it looks absolutely insane. It's a shame I'm only here for 2 nights because this is probably the best hostel I've ever been in, or hotel room. And this was well, I put the price up on the screen already probably, but yeah, not like basically as expensive as all the other ones. Yeah, you get all this. Absolutely insane. And I forgot to mention, you get there's a gym, free washing, you get your free beer from coming in, there's like a games room, there is so much food, it's amazing. Like all the photos and the reviews made it look like it wouldn't be very good, or it would be quite small. But look at this front foyer as well. Like, I think we definitely lucked out on this one. It's crazy. So I'm gonna settle in, grab a drink maybe, I don't know. I don't even know what to do. I might get some food actually, I'm quite hungry, but yeah. I'll catch you when I've decided. Came and chilled out on the balcony for a sec, but just look at this view, man. Oh, it's such a shame I'm only staying here 2 nights. Me, Mum and Dad have found such a good hostel here. It's absolutely insane, but I think I'll check out the gym, then I'll go get my free drink and something to eat, and then or do it the other way around, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Look, so on the first floor there's a terraced kitchen with free ingredients so you can cook whatever you want. Guest laundry, I'm gonna be hopping there in a bit. So first floor, like whole just chilling out area, reception obviously, bar, with a Nintendo Switch apparently, and there's a gym with everything, and a games room, and there's like, this is insane. I think I'm on the ground floor, but this is the games room. I think it's empty in here at the moment, but oh my god. This is so like chilled out. There's toys, you know, I like playing with toys, that's good. Yeah, look, there's like these seats, you can play games. Free basketball, oh I love that game. I think it might be free, I hope it is. But I think I just saw the gym over in this corridor. Let's see how good it is, because if the day's crap tomorrow, oh wow. They're in bench press. This is punch bag. What's around here? Oh. But this is absolutely insane. All for 73 quid as well. Yeah, I might be seeing what I could do to spend time while I'm gone, or while it's raining. Alright, let's see, what's that? On this bar, there's 40. Let's do it. Where can I set the camera up? Right. Let's see, I haven't been to the gym in 6 months, but I reckon I could still do this. 50 isn't too hard. That's heavier than I remember. What the heck? Okay, this is weird. I guess that's how you know you've done it right. Oh, that's very close. I do it like that. Oh, crushing my hand. Okay. But there you go. That was the bench press. This is a quote I can get behind. Do your squats and drink your beer. So there's loads of chairs in here as well. But this is such a cool place. Here's the laundry room. I mean, it's just a laundry room, nothing that impressive, but yeah, let's go to there's rooms here as well. Let's go to the guest kitchen. Oh, here it is. So this is where you have like free stuff and you can, okay, I think it's either locked or I'm being, yeah, okay, I think it's locked at the moment. But where is the outside bit? So there's like a terrace here as well. But this is the free kitchen bit. It's quite cool. Found my way up here. It was through like a coded gate over there. Had to go ask what the code was, but yeah. And here is like the chill area. It's cool, and then let's go check out the terrace. I would record, but there's people out there, but it's just a garden terrace. That's quite cool. Yeah, this place is awesome. Well, I just went across the street and got this slice of pizza, and it looks really, really nice. It was only €4 as well. So I'm gonna eat this up, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll see what's around. We have a bite of it here. Let's. Ooh, that is good. It was like this. I don't know. They had like. It's almost like, you know, there's like ice cream shops. It was like that, but pizza. And I saw it on Google reviews. This is good. Well, I've chilled out for a bit, and I've decided I'm going to get my free drink from whatever floor it is. Which floor is it? Floor 0. Yeah, I'm going to sit out on the terrace and have my free drink. Oh, I just thought there was someone behind me, but it was me. That really scared me. Well, I've got my beer, and this is the terrace bit. It's very nice. There's a lot of people here, so I'm being quite quiet, but it's just a Kronenberg, so I'm not going to review it. Kronenberg's a good beer, so. But I mean, look at this view. It's not as exciting view as upstairs, but yeah, it's still nice. But yeah, I'm gonna probably end this video here. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. No, I didn't really do much in this one. I'm not sure what I'll do tomorrow because of the storm, but I will see. But yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. Remember to like that. I'm too tired of this. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.